SAP Certified Associate, Data Engineer, SAP HANA C_HAMOD_2404 Exam Dumps questions are the latest version for you to study. Share some SAP C_HAMOD_2404 Exam Dumps questions here. 1. In a calculated column, which object do you use to process a dynamic value in an expression? A. Variable, B. Input parameter, C. Procedure, D. Table function. 2. You have linked an underlying node to the star join node to define the data foundation. Which data source type can you then join to the data foundation? A. Tables, B. Cube calculation view, C. Dimension calculation view, D. Table functions. 3. What are the advantages of column store tables compared to row store tables? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Higher data compression rates. B. Improved write performance on frequent updates. C. Additional indexes are used. D. Parallel access is improved. E. Higher performance for query operations. 4. What is the objective of calculation view instantiation? A. Generate an optimized runtime model based on a calling query. B. Identify potential performance issues. C. Trace of the runtime of a calculation view. D. Deploy a calculation view to a production system. 5. Why would you choose to implement a referential join? A. To develop a series of linked joins. B. To define conditions for potential data source pruning. C. To reuse the settings of an existing join. D. To automate the setting of cardinality rules. 6. You have products that appear in Table A and sometimes they also appear in Table B. You want to select the products that appear only in Table A. Which node type do you use? A. Aggregation, B-, C. Intersect, D. Union. 7. What are some best practices for writing SQL script for use with calculation views? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Control the flow logic using if-then-else conditions. B. Break up large statements by using variables. C. Choose declarative language instead of imperative language. D. Use dynamic SQL. 8. Which solutions form the SAP Business Technology Platform? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Analytics, B. Intelligent Suite, C. Experience Management, D. Application Development and Integration. 9. What are some of the typical tasks performed by the SAP HANA Cloud Modeler role? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Create graph workspaces. B. Configure data tiering. C. Develop calculation views. D. Develop SAP Fiori apps. 10. Which of the following techniques can you use to improve the performance of calculation views? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Avoid aggregating data early in the data flow. B. Partition large tables. C. Limit the number of stacked calculation views. D. Implement union pruning.